I arrived in Jeonju one morning, and the streets were empty. So I took Avatar to explore. I went to the Hanok village. There I found a palace. And guess what? I saw some palace guards. They were fanning themselves, all of them at the same time. In the middle there was a leader, dressed differently. I really wanted to take a picture with my drone, so I used Google Translate. I asked, "Can I take a video of you with my drone? 30 seconds." They said yes. I flew Miss Mavic, and the guards kept fanning. It was so cool. After that, I went inside the palace. I saw this tall house with 2 floors. There was a beautiful passageway too. I even danced. Jeonju is a cool place. You should visit.